So they say they want you to write an explicit formula for the nth term of the sequence when you have 12, -6, and 3. What I want you to notice is that this is a geometric sequence, and the first number of the sequence is G1, and it's increasing when you multiply. Keyword is multiply by a half. So that's your R. So all you have to do is substitute in your value. So your G1 is your first number, which is 12. And your R is this number right here, -1/2. And then you're done. For the second one, they're telling you write another explicit function, but now it's increasing by adding. So when you're adding or subtracting, remember it's arithmetic. So that means you're going to find the D, and you're going to have your A1 number is 12, your first number of your sequence is 12, and then you're going to go 5. So for this one, they're asking you to find the 60th number in the arithmetic sense. So we already know it's arithmetic, so that means we're going to use this formula. The 60th term means that n is 60. So that means wherever you see a little n, that becomes a 60. That becomes a 60. When you are substituting these values for A1, your A1 is -14. And we know that from -14 to get to -20, you're going to subtract a -11. So -14 minus 11 is -25. -25 minus 11 is -36. So that is our common difference. Okay, and all we're going to do is substitute in our values for all of these things, and we're going to simplify. So A's of 60, I'm trying to find my 60th number. I know that my A1 is -14, my D is -11, that N is 60, minus 1 from the formula. And all you're going to do is simplify, so -14 minus 11 times 59. And you're going to use your calculator to put that in the calculator, and you get your answer. And your final answer, your A's of 60 should be -663. That's your answer. This number 4 students did, so you could do that one by yourself. This one is going to be a geometric sequence, and they want us to find the 12th term. And our G1 is 4, and then we have to figure out how it is increasing. So because it's a geometric, it's either multiplying or it's dividing. So since we go from 4 to 8, that means I have to multiply by 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So that means my R is 2 and my G1 is 4. So all I'm doing is substituting values. And I know that my N is 12. So I'm going to have G's of 12. I'm trying to find the 12th number. My G1 is 4, parentheses, 2 times 12 minus 1. You're going to have 4 parentheses, 2 to the 11th power. This 11th power right here is an exponent. That means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, like 11 times. You put this in the calculator, and you're going to get 8,192 as your answer. Try number 6, and that would be it for the notes.